Your car's engine needs 3 key things to run smoothly: fuel, air, and a spark. The engine air filter here acts like a shield keeping dirt and debris out, but over time, it clogs up. When this happens, your engine can't breathe properly, leading to sluggish performance. And if you often drive in heavy traffic, dusty, or dry climates, it will happen much faster. So, how do you know when it's time for a new one? Stick around as we go over 9 clear signs that your air filter is overdue for a change, and how to do it at home. Keep watching until the end as we will guide you through air filter replacement costs too. Symptom number 1. Engine misfires and jerks. Ever tried to run with a stuffy nose? That's what happens to your engine when the air filter is clogged. Without enough air, the fuel doesn't burn completely, leaving behind a black soot that coats the spark plugs. And when those spark plugs get dirty, they struggle to do their job, resulting in misfires, jerks, or even a rough start. If your car hesitates or sputters when you press the gas, your air filter might be the culprit. Ignoring it can lead to poor performance and even long-term engine damage. So if your ride feels rough, it's time to check that filter. Symptom number 2, dropping gas mileage. If your car is guzzling gas faster than usual, your air filter might be the reason. When the filter is clogged, the engine struggles to get enough air. To make up for it, it burns extra fuel, meaning you're paying more at the pump for the same drive. This issue is especially common in older cars with carburetors, which mix fuel and air for combustion. When airflow is restricted, the engine burns more fuel than necessary, cutting down on efficiency. But even in modern cars, a dirty filter can hurt mileage. So if you notice your fuel economy getting worse, don't ignore it. A bad air filter could be a reason. Symptom number 3, strong fuel smell and exhaust. Ever started your car and immediately caught a whiff of gasoline? That's not normal, and a dirty air filter could be to blame. When the filter is clogged, not enough air reaches the engine, causing an unbalanced fuel-to-air mixture. The excess unburned fuel then escapes through the exhaust, leaving behind a strong fuel odor. While a dirty air filter is a common cause, a lingering fuel smell could also point to a fuel leak or a faulty fuel regulator. If replacing the air filter doesn't fix the issue, it's best to get a professional inspection to rule out anything more serious. Either way, ignoring it isn't an option. A healthy engine shouldn't smell like a gas station. Symptom number 4, check engine light turns on. Seeing that dreaded check engine light. When the filter is too dirty, it restricts airflow, throwing off the fuel mixture. Over time, this can lead to carbon buildup in the engine, which triggers the check engine light. Before jumping to bigger and more expensive repairs, check your air filter first. If it's clogged, replacing it might clear the warning light and prevent further damage. If the light stays on, it's best to get a diagnostic scan to rule out other issues. Keeping a clean air filter protects your engine and keeps that warning light off. Symptom number 5, poor acceleration. Press the gas pedal and nothing happens like it should. A dirty air filter could be strangling your engine. Without enough air, the engine can't generate full power, making acceleration feel sluggish and unresponsive. In some cases, the car may even jerk or hesitate when you step on the gas. An engine needs proper airflow to deliver peak performance. If you feel slow, weak, or struggle to pick up speed, check the air filter first. Symptom number 6, dark smoke from the exhaust. Noticing thick, dark smoke coming from your exhaust? That's a red flag. A clogged air filter disrupts the air-to-fuel balance, creating a rich fuel mixture. Too much fuel, not enough air. The result, unburned fuel exits through the exhaust, leaving behind sooty black smoke. In some cases, those leftover fuel particles ignite inside the hot exhaust system, causing small explosions or backfires. This isn't just bad for performance, it can damage your exhaust components over time. If your car's exhaust looks like a chimney, don't ignore it. Check the air filter and replace it if it's dirty. Moving on to symptom number 7, physical appearance of the air filter. Sometimes the best proof is right in front of you. A quick look under the hood can tell you everything you need to know about your air filter's condition. Locate the air filter, usually housed in a plastic cover near the engine. Pop off the fasteners, clamps, or screws and pull it out. A clean filter looks white or light colored, while a clogged one is dark, covered in dust, and packed with grime. If yours looks more like a dirt sponge than a filter, it's time for a replacement. Ignoring a dirty air filter means forcing your engine to work harder for less power and efficiency. Symptom number 8, weird engine noises. Your engine should sound smooth and steady when running, not like it's struggling to breathe. If you start hearing popping, coughing, or spitting sounds, there's a good chance your air filter is clogged. When the engine can't get enough air, the fuel-to-air mix becomes unbalanced. Too much fuel and not enough air causes black soot to build up on the spark plugs. That leads to misfires, and misfires lead to those strange, unsettling noises. If your engine sounds off, don't wait. Check the air filter right away. A quick fix could stop the noise and prevent more serious damage down the road. Symptom number 9, laggy performance. Remember when your car used to leap forward the moment you tapped the gas? If it now feels like it's dragging its feet, don't blame the engine just yet. A clogged air filter might be the real culprit. Over time, dust and debris block the filter, making it harder for your engine to pull in the air it needs. Less air means less power, and suddenly your once responsive car feels sluggish and slow to react. This isn't just annoying, it's a sign your engine isn't getting what it needs. Swapping out a dirty air filter takes minutes, but can bring instant life back to your drive. If your car's lost its punch, it might just need a fresh breath of air. Now that you know the signs of a dirty air filter, keep watching, because next we'll show you exactly how to replace it at home. Most of the automakers advise to change it every 10,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year. Here are a few simple steps that you can follow. Step 1. Locate the air filter, open the hood, and find the air filter box near the engine compartment close to the intake. The shape of the filter may vary, but it's always inside a square or round plastic housing. Step 2. Remove the air filter. The air filter box is secured with clips, screws, or clamps. Use your hands or a wrench and screwdriver to open it. Take out the air filter carefully. It should slide out easily. Step 3. Clean the air filter, if reusable. If your air filter is reusable, use compressed air to blow out dirt and debris. Always spray from the inside out and top to bottom for thorough cleaning. Check the manufacturer's instructions. Some filters can be rinsed with warm water and air dried. Never use brushes, detergents, or chemicals. They can damage the filter material. And if it is not reusable, install a new air filter in place. Step 4. Reinstall the air filter. Before placing the filter back, wipe the air filter box with a soft cloth to remove any dirt. Insert the filter, making sure the edges align with the rubber seals of the housing. Secure the box with clips, screws, or clamps, ensuring a tight seal. A clean air filter is a small but important part of your car's performance. It keeps your engine breathing freely, improves fuel efficiency, and prevents costly repairs. The best part, replacing it is quick and easy. It takes just a few minutes. A standard air filter in the US costs $20 to $50, while high-performance or reusable filters can go for $100 to $300. Though pricier, reusable filters can be cleaned and reused multiple times, saving money in the long run. If you've noticed sluggish acceleration, bad fuel economy, or a strong fuel smell, don't ignore it. Check your air filter, replace it if needed, and keep your engine running at its best. If you enjoyed this video, stick around for the next one, where we share more expert tricks to cut down on repair costs and keep your car running like new.